Now we are starting logarithmic differentiation. That is, we are starting now logarithmic differentiation. If the function given in the form y equal to fx to the power say phi x, that is variable to the power variable, a function has a power function. In such cases, we have to apply logarithmic differentiation. Example, say y equal to x to the power x. What we are finding here, x to the power x, variable to the power variable. Find dy by dx. So in such cases, whenever you'll find the function y is given variable to the power variable, such cases, or when a function given product form, so many functions are in product form, then we will take log on both the side and we have to differentiate. Over here taking log will get log y equal to log of x to the power x, which is equal to x log x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, so we'll get d dx of log y equal to d dx of x log x. Therefore 1 by y dy by dx equal to first function into derivative of the second plus second function into derivative of the first, which is x into 1 by x plus log x into 1. As a result, 1 plus log x, and therefore dy by dx equal to y into 1 plus log x, that is x to the power x 1 plus log x. So this is example number 1. Another example I am giving. Say y equal to x to the power x to the power x. Here question asks find dy by dx. So how to do? Taking log. Why you are taking log? The right side given variable to the power variable, that is a function has a power is also a function. So therefore log y equal to log of x to the power x to the power x, x to the power x log x. So differentiating with respect to x, so d dx of log y equal to d dx of x to the power x log x. This is 1 by y dy by dx equal to x to the power x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of x to the power x. So then what we are getting? X to the power x into 1 by x and log x, derivative of x to the power x we have done just in example number 1. The answer is x to the power x 1 plus log x. So therefore dy by dx equal to y x minus 1 plus log x, x to the power x. Now replace the value, x to the power x minus 1, x to the power x, log x, 1 plus log x. So this is the answer. Example number 3. Example number 3. Let y equal to 1 plus x whole to the power x and find dy by dx. So here also you have to take log, taking log. Log y equal to log of 1 plus x whole to the power x. This is x log 1 plus x. Differentiating with respect to x, 1 by y dy by dx equal to x into derivative of log 1 plus x will be 1 by 1 plus x plus log 1 plus x into derivative of x is 1. So x by 1 plus x, and therefore dy by dx equal to y into, you can do LCM, x 1 plus x into log, and therefore 1 plus x to the power x, x plus log 1 plus x into 1 plus divided by 1 plus x. So this is the final answer. Example number 4. Find dy by dx when x to the power y equal to y to the power x. Question asks to find dy by dx. In such case, what to do? Here also you have to take log, because variable to the power variable, and here also variable to the power variable. So therefore log x to the power y equal to log y to the power x. So y log x equal to x log y. Differentiating with respect to x will get ddx of y log x ddx of x log y. So therefore y into derivative of log x into derivative of y. Right side x into derivative of log y plus log y into derivative of x. As a result, we will get here y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Right side derivative of y is 1 by y into dy by dx plus log y into 1. So now you have to bring the term containing dy by dx in one side. Log y minus x by y dy by dx equal to, now this is log x, and log y minus y by x. So further we can simplify y log x minus x by y dy by dx equal to x log y minus x by x. So dy by dx equal to y into x log y minus x, x into y log x minus x. Next example. Example number 5. Let y equal to sin x to the power cos x. and find dy by dx. Taking log, one thing remember, we are taking log mean we are taking log to the base e. In calculus, every time we'll use log to the base e. So log y equal to log of sin x whole to the power cos x. So therefore cos x log sin x. Differentiating with respect to x, we'll get 1 by y dy by dx equal to cos x into derivative of log sin x. So 1 by sin x, chain rule we are applying, into cos x, and log of sin x, derivative of cos x is sin x. As a result, cos x into cot x plus sin x into log sin x. So therefore dy by dx equal to y into cos x into cot x sin x into log sin x, that is sin x to the power cos x into cot x sin x into log sin x. So this is the final answer. Example number 6. Let y equal to 1 minus x, 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 3x, 1 minus 4x, and find dy by dx. Here, so many function are in product form. There are one factor, two factor, second factor, third factor, fourth factor. So if you multiply all together, we'll get a long answer. So we can do this one by applying logarithmic differentiation. Taking log y equal to log of 1 minus x, 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 3x, 1 minus 4x. As a result, log a into b into c into d, the formula is log a plus log b plus log c plus log d. So that's why log 1 minus x, 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 3x, 1 minus 4x. So now differentiating with respect to x, 1 by y dy by dx. Derivative of 1 minus x is 1 by 1 minus x into minus 1. 1 minus 2x into minus 2. 1 by 1 minus 3x into minus 3. 1 by 1 minus 4x into minus 4. So here we are getting minus 1 by 1 minus x, minus 2 by 1 minus 2x, minus 3 by 1 minus 3x, minus 4 by 1 minus 4x. And therefore, final answer dy by dx equal to y into, take out minus common, 1 by 1 minus x, 2 by 1 minus 2x, 3 by 1 minus 3x, 4 by 1 minus 4x. And replace the value of y, 1 minus x, 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 3x, 1 minus 4x into 1 by 1 minus x, 2 by 1 minus 2x, 3 by 1 minus 3x, and 4 by 1 minus 4x. So this is the final answer. Another type of sum in logarithmic differentiation, example number 7 we are doing. Example number 7. Suppose it is given that y equal to x to the power sin x plus sin inverse root x. Y equal to x to the power sin x plus sin inverse root x. Here directly we cannot take log because we know that log a into b equal to log a plus log b. But log a plus b cannot be written as log a. So therefore, if you take log over here, so log of first function plus second function cannot be splitting into two parts. So that's why let y equal to u plus v, where u equal to x to the power sin x and v equal to sin inverse root x. Now we will differentiate separately this one once and the second one once. So from here we'll get dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So mark it as 1. Here log u equal to sin x into log x. So therefore 1 by u du by dx sin x into 1 by x plus cos x into log x, and therefore du by dx equal to u into sin x by x plus cos x log x. Replace the value of u, x to the power sin x sin x by x plus cos log x. Over here dv by dx, derivative of sin inverse root x will be 1 by root over 1 minus root x whole square into derivative of root x, 1 by root over into 1 by 2 root x. So final answer 1 by 2 root x 1 minus x. So now replace the two answer in equation number 1. Replacing two answer in equation number 1, dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Du by dx is x to the power sin x by x cos x log x plus 1 by 2 root x 1 minus x. So this is the final answer. Example number 8. Say y equal to x to the power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x. So this is also same way we have to do. Let y equal to u plus v, therefore dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. We are marking as 1, where u equal to x to the power sin x and v equal to sin x to the power cos x. So therefore taking log u equal to sin x into log x, 1 by u du by dx sin x by x plus cos x log x. So du by dx equal to sin x by x cos x log x, and we are replacing the value of u, x to the power sin x by x plus cos x log x. Over here log v cos x log sin x. So therefore 1 by v dv dx cos x 1 by sin x into cos x. We have applied chain rule here. Plus derivative of cos x is minus sin x into log of sin x. As a result, cos x into cot x minus sin x into log sin x. Therefore, dv by dx equal to v into cos x into cot x minus sin x log sin x, and replace the value of v. We are getting sin x to the power cos x cot x minus sin x log sin x, and therefore from 1 dy by dx du by dx plus dv by dx, and replace the value, both the answer together will be the answer. X sin x to the power sin x by x plus cos x log x sin x to the power cos x into cot x minus sin x into log sin x. So this is the answer. So more or less we have done logarithmic differentiation. In the next class we have to do the remaining part of